Hello you beautiful lot, my name's Purple.
And I'm Leanne.
And this is the Cotch.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and the subscribe and we can let you know about the Cotch.
That we certainly can. Hello you beautiful lot, it's Purple.
And Leanne.
And yes, we've got young Eddie with us. So, in light of having Eddie, he has told me with his iPad he can't click onto certain YouTube videos that I've got because, yeah, you know, if they're making for kids then it just gets shown to the kids range. Today's video is going to be for the kids, and what I'm going to do for you all is we're going to walk up to Wellingborough Lock, and it's been raining an awful lot here, so do excuse me, sorry, I'm shouting at me for getting too close. We're going to walk up to Wellingborough Lock, and sorry about his wellies, I went B&Q and all they had was right boots, so of course I picked up 2 right boots, went all the way home, realised they got it 2 right boots, went back to B&Q and they've only got size 7s, right boots of everything, and pink size 5s. But they work, he says, so sorry about that. Yeah, we're going to take a walk up to the top, we'll have a look at the lock. And that up there, Eddie, that building is the original part of Whitworth's, and they used to take all the flour and make it into bread and feed Wellingborough with it. They used to get boats that come down here and they'd stop just in there where they'd hoist it up and pour the grain through the windows. Yeah, it's a really old building. And you see that bit in the middle, and it's all bricked up, and there's an arch over the top. So that's like a dock, so the boat will pull up alongside and then they'd unload into there. I'll see if I can find some photos for you.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh wow, Eddie.
The perfect time to test out these things.
Oh wow, no, he's got a white head. Oh wow. That was cool, eh?
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, right. Now Eddie, right, you have to be really careful here where you step, because there is mud here, and if you slip the wrong way, you'll end up in the river. Now Daddy can swim, he's a champion swimmer. Yeah, free swim-a-thons at Wellingborough Croydon Road swimming pool. Not to brag. So I can swim, but I don't really want to. So when we walk down here, can you stick to the right-hand side of Daddy? No, because you see, and that's why Daddy stands on this side of you. And you just take it very easy, and you be very careful. And that goes for you kids too.
Well, now really, when we go back then to falling in love, We don't say rising is love. There is in it the idea of the fall. And it goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things. That there is always a curious tie of some sort between the fall and the creation. Taking this ghastly risk is the condition of there being life. See, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gambling. The moment you enter into any kind of human undertaking in relationship, what an act of faith. See, you've given yourself up.
Well, I do hope Neil and his boat Spirit from the Northamptonshire boating photographer, I do hope he's okay. His boat, the Spirit, kind of got taken from its moorings and ended up floating down the river then to a weir, and lucky enough it was only the canopy that kind of got damaged. But I'll leave the link to his channel in the description below, because it's the photographs and the places he goes is truly amazing. So show him some page love. Oh wow, it's going right over the top.
That is huge. Plus that's fast flowing.
Yeah, that's very fast. Oh yeah, there's loads of it down there. You just make sure you keep hold of my hand, alright? And same for you kids. If you come down here, make sure you've got a parent, make sure you hold their hand. Oh, you okay, camera? Oh, you okay? Oh, yeah, what do you reckon of that then? That was awesome. But what we're going to do, Eddie, is we're going to walk over to where that other weir is.
Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's go for it. Brilliant.
But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person. Total abandon. I give myself. Take, do anything you like. So, that's quite bad, because you see, it's letting things get out of control. All sensible people keep things in control. So, actually, therefore, the course of wisdom.
Wow.
What is really
That's it.
sensible,
Isn't that amazing?
is
Oh, you see all them splashing?
and that's quite bad.
All right, let's go then. Let's go have a look.
So we come to a strange conclusion. That is
Oh, I found a shell.
You found a shell? Oh, yes. Nail! Good eyes. You've got Grandad's eyes too. Let's go for it. But that's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that. And it's like you said, Eddie, it's really flat on this side, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really smooth.
Yeah, it's really smooth and then it's rough. Oh,
Really smooth,
wow.
then it goes.
Oh, wow, look. You go careful, young man.
Yeah. The same sign which was over there.
Yeah, let's have a look down here.
Oh, it's only coming up.
Oh, wow. That's still slodgy there, mate. Wow, look at that.
It's not coming up here as much as it is over there.
That's crazy, look at all the bubbles. Right, let's have a look up then. Let's have a walk on up. Have you got it, troops? You might get a bit wet here. Oh, wow. Wow. That's mad. Oh, up at Wellingborough sluice. It's a sluice gate, so when it floods, they can open the gate up and down. Do you dare walk across?
Yeah.
Do you dare do it? Go for it. No fear, no fear. Yeah, look. Eddie. Yeah, it's locked because this is private land, Eddie. Yeah, this is the sluice.
So this part goes up?
No, this in here. You see the ridge? You see the ridge here?
Yeah.
That's a big gate in there and it can lift up and down. And this is the roller shutter. So the motor on the end will pull it up and down.
Ooh.
I don't like being up here. Yeah, I know, let's get out of here. Right, Eddie, we're starting to feel a bit seasick, don't mind. But yeah, that's awesome. Oh yeah, the gearbox.
Yeah, this is like the motor.
Yeah, that's the motor in there. What's it say? Bon Fig Lion. I don't know. BONFIGLIOLI. A VF110. Oh, here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. A Bonfiglio, whatever that is.
Bonfiglio?
Yeah, but it's all there. Cool. Oh, and here's another one. What's that?
And then there's the same...
Alanco. Construction Engineers in Northampton. Awesome. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make our way up to the very top of where this navigation channel is for the River Nen, because right at the top the River Nen was split off to make it easier for canal boats to come down here, Eddie. So that down there is the original Nen River. Ah, you see. So what we're going to do, we're going to work our way at the top because there's a weir up there too. How's that?
Yeah.
It's nice and muddy along this trail as well, so you'll have to be extra careful. All right, sweet mush. My warriors. Oh right, we go down here, Eddie. Whoa, this is a bit deep. And here it is. This is the weir. Oh, look at the cormorant. Oh wow, Eddie, look! Cockles and shells and... oh wow! Look at these! Oh wow!
Wow.
Yeah, these are freshwater snails and freshwater clams. Yeah, look at these! Oh, isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that looking one. Oh wow, look, they're everywhere. Oh, yeah. Look at that though. Look at the colours in there, Eddie. Awesome. Right. Oh, you got a tennis ball as well. Oh wow, look, they're everywhere. Oh, I like this one. Look at that.
Look at this. This is like shiny.
Yeah. Cool. I like shells. Wow, look at this. You go careful, guys. Yeah, wow. That's a lot of water. Cleaning them. Wow, that's brilliant. Beware strong currents. No swimming. Beware underwater obstacles. For more information, call the number below. The Environmental Agency. Right, shall we press on? Well, that's brilliant, isn't it? Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at the cormorants, Eddie, sitting on top of the metalwork.
Wow.
Can you see that? Look at that. But the cormorant, Eddie, what it does is it fishes in the water and gets its whole body under the water. So all you see is its neck and its pointy little head. And then it comes out of the water and sits on like a big pylon, electricity pylon, and sits there with his arms out, looking like the Hulk. And just to try and dry him off. Yeah, his cormorant flying off. Huge.
Yeah. Absolutely huge.
But this here is where we're going to get to and where we are going to stop. God, look at all this bird poo. This bit here, you see this river here, Eddie?
Yeah.
That is a navigation channel because this bit is too scary for narrowboats, basically. So what people did is they built this bit and dug the channel and made it a lot straighter with a lock on the end. Yeah, so it makes it easy for narrowboats to go up and down. And back in the day, that's all there really was, because there weren't no steam engines, it was narrowboats. And they used to travel everything up and down the rivers. Navigation channel and the original river Nen. Right, just a small little walk, 15 minutes away from home, keeping to the laws, the regulations, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to end this here. So thank you for coming along, Eddie. With your pink boots. And Leanne, it's always lovely having you here. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button. Then check out these 2 videos for a little extra knowledge boost as well. With all the love in our hearts, peace, love and light, with a touch of Northants unity. Goodbye, guys.
Bye.